So I figure I'd do a little unboxing video for y'all. I'm in my daughter's bedroom. It's probably the best place for it right now because that garage is so cold and it's not heated. So got a carbon fiber redline intake from Cobb here for the STI. I'm gonna go ahead and do some unboxing. I've already cut the tape, so we'll just get it out and see what you get. There's your part number and description. So we'll just get her turned around here and see what comes in the box. So you can see it comes packaged pretty well. Of course, Cobb standards. But, I actually bought this from SMI or SME Performance, ever how you want to say it. So let's see. Got replacement filter. It's kind of funny. It says Golf R on it. It's the air filter. So you got the hardware kit. So I'll open up the filter and the hardware kit here, so everything looks like. You got your hard pipe there for your MAF and such, and then the dry filter. And you got some instructions in there, nothing really spectacular. You got all your supporting hardware, of course, to mount everything with, and then the block off plate and such. Oh, and we got a free sticker. Everybody loves stickers. And then the coupler, the pretty standard stuff. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is probably the whole kit and caboodle. I'll do one hand. Oh boy. That's just downright beautiful right there. So let me turn it around here. You can see the Cobb badge. So I know there's definitely cheaper intakes available, but on this I've never had a nice carbon fiber piece before, so I just figured why not. So it's looks to be a very quality piece. I'll be installing this shortly with some other pieces. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.